It was just like any peaceful morning in a small mountain village. The air was fresh, birds sang softly, and families began their daily routines, lighting fires for breakfast, stepping out to tend their fields, and children playing nearby. But hidden in the misty hills above, something dangerous was quietly brewing. For several days, heavy rain had soaked the earth, making the soil soft and unstable. The villagers heard strange noises from the mountains, cracks in the ground, faint tremors beneath their feet. Yet, no one could have guessed what was about to happen. Suddenly, a deep, rolling rumble shattered the calm. It grew louder, like thunder coming from beneath the surface. Then, without warning, a massive landslide tore down the mountainside. Trees were uprooted and snapped like matchsticks. Giant boulders barreled down with terrifying speed, and a roaring wave of mud, rocks, and debris surged toward the village. In mere moments, homes were swallowed whole, fields were buried under thick mud, and roads vanished beneath the destructive flow. But the disaster didn't end there. The landslide blocked nearby rivers, causing water to back up rapidly. The natural flow was cut off, and soon the rivers spilled over their banks. Flash floods swept through the valley, turning calm streets into fast-moving torrents of muddy water. Bridges collapsed, livestock were washed away, and people fled to any high ground they could find. Climbing trees, rooftops, even piles of debris. Families who had just been enjoying breakfast were now fighting for survival, losing everything in seconds. Homes, possessions, sometimes even loved ones. Rescue teams rushed to respond, but access was a major challenge. Mudslides and fallen trees blocked roads. Phone and power lines were down. And even satellite signals were weak or gone in parts of the region. Helicopters were called in to reach stranded people, while firefighters and military units battled harsh conditions, deep mud. Unstable ground and rising floodwaters to save lives. Emergency shelters were quickly set up on safer, higher ground. Makeshift tents dotted the hillsides. Medical teams worked tirelessly under tarps treating injuries.
Titi Ayun tak ada, Titi Ayun hilang. Titi Ayun tak ada, Titi Ayun tak ada lah. Tinggal Titi Ayun saja, Titi biar.
Clean drinking water, food, and warm blankets became priceless necessities. In some isolated pockets, supplies had to be flown in by airdrops because ground access was impossible.
这是长期人生，车子也是到扶起走的，看嘛。
大家等接不？大家等接啊！开吧了，开吧了！oi！大家等。
And even as the skies threatened more rain, experts warned everyone to stay alert. More landslides could happen at any moment, and swollen rivers meant floods were still a serious risk. But amid the destruction and fear, something remarkable emerged. Neighbors who barely knew each other began sharing food and shelter. Strangers opened their doors, offering clothes, blankets, and comfort.
啊，看看这，哎呀，我天，哎呀，我操！那边的桥塌了，这车刚冲下来，这桥，哎呀！
Young people volunteered to dig through mud and rubble, searching for survivors trapped beneath debris. Surrounding villages sent trucks loaded with rice, medicines, clean water, baby food, and other essential supplies.
糟了好多。
Beyond the mountain region, support poured in from everywhere. Social media campaigns raised funds. Volunteers left their daily lives behind to join relief efforts.
做梦都想不到，来时候好好的，回不去了。
And people everywhere showed a powerful spirit of kindness and solidarity. This disaster wasn't just about the overwhelming force of nature. It was also a testament to human strength and compassion. Through the tears, broken homes, and mud-covered streets, a story of hope and recovery is being written every day. Survivors are rebuilding their lives. Parents comfort their children. Relief teams continue expanding shelters, clearing blocked roads, and reconnecting separated communities. This was a harsh reminder of how quickly life can change, how unpredictable nature can be, and how crucial it is to stay prepared, respect the environment, and support one another.